have to pay me for all my time I waste with you.
But you going on as though me employ you.
I'm going to make you an example to all man that fool up woman, you know. Where you take me for? Konomono? Listen to me now. Even if me was Konomono, me not Konomono for you.
Keep your voice at a human level.
Me want 50% of the business.
50%?
50%? I wonder if I can call some people who waste my time too. I ask for 50% or whatever they have right now. Listen, anybody who wastes your time over the years, call them on demand 50%, especially if them are kunomono. As you can see, is a king of Jamaica comedy night tonight. Oliver, King Oliver, undisputed champion of Jamaica comedy. And him gonna make we laugh tonight. Anyways, I know a long talking, you know. Oh yeah, like the video, man. Like the video and share the video, because sharing is caring. Let's jump into it.
All those people what said them can't cook ackee. A joke, them a joke. Ackee no partial. You just catch it up and best it down with the 2 tomatoes and you lick a scallion and lick a black pepper. Then you introduce now the country pepper into the argument and you're going clear. You know what? I better tell Ponce about it. Ponce?
Yes, sir.
Ponce, come here please, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Oliver, sir.
Ponce, you can't say morning. Eh? Where your manners? How much times must I tell you that when you're seeing somebody for the first time, you say morning or evening as the case may be?
Lord, me did forget, sir. Good morning as the case may be.
As the case may be? How that come in it?
But no, that's you just tell me a while back say that me say, sir. Good morning or good evening as the case may be.
You know, if it wasn't so simple, I think you're taking liberty. But that's not possible. Your intellect is very limited. And your head cup small and your skull thick. How much time I must show you and point out to you that in business you can't operate so. Every time I try with you, that's how you feel.
Me no feel at all, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me have me 2 subjects and me have me paper to prove it. And furthermore, you know, sir, you see when me did come here to work with you, you tell me say me would be your administrative assistant. And now look where me I do, sir, care waiter, serve ice water and them kind of things. Yeah. And it's 2 subjects me have, 2 hours.
But be can you getting ferocious? You're losing respect. You're back answering me back. I wonder if you don't know where you do. Me
don't like how you have to anger me, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me somebody to you know, sir.
I have a great mind to terminate your service right there.
Terminate, you mean, sir? You mean like fire me? Well, give me 2 weeks pay right now, me go back to my country, you know, sir. Oh.
Punsi, go back to your country. This is your country, girl. You don't have nowhere else to go.
Well, me, we go somewhere else, sir. So if it's fire me and done, me go about my business.
Ponce, if I fire you, you're a surprise. Because you know, and me know, that you don't mean what you say. So just cool your foot.
Ponce, cool your foot. You know, so me have a neighbor named Miss Ponce. Big up yourself, Miss Ponce. Anyway, they are a nice lady, man. Always a hustle, man. But this is Ponce, you know. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as the case may be. Boy, it was them feisty, bright and out of order. But Ponce is bright still, because Ponce have not 1, but a few subjects. Let's move forward. Story is nice. Oliver owning shop. Nah, employ people. See what next piece of shopkeeping business, yeah? Oliver and he faced himself and dog up the lady, yeah.
Now what can I get for you, ma'am?
Is your sir, me like a boy, sir?
What he didn't get is what he never asked.
So if you didn't have any fresh bread, why you didn't tell him? Instead you sell him this old tough sentence.
Bread, ma'am? Looking at my glass case, I don't see bread van from morning.
Then is what is?
It look like bread. Half a bread to be exact. But this I look like 1 week old.
It look like you come here to compise now of me and my picnic.
Lady, I said the bread didn't bought here. It never bought here.
So you call me Pitney a liar?
Liar or no liar, the bread did not bought here. Sister, you was here this morning when the little boy come to buy the things. You didn't see me sell him any bread, man?
To tell the truth, Master Oliver, cockroach don't business in Falcon. Talk it up before I chop you with this stuff bread. This time it would be injury with...
No, I need this play. I need this show. What is going on here? If you know the name of the play or the show, comment in the comment section. Because these people upload them video here and then don't add the name of the play or the show. You can't do that, man. Me I steal on the stuff from on a TikTok. I don't need to put the name. If you know the name, comment it because I need to watch all of this because it's getting heated. And the next piece of video we have has nothing to do with the shopkeeping thing. Or does it? Let's watch and see.
Look what I find up the step. This boy, this little something here. Bought him a drink beer. And he's not even bigger than the beer back when he have one I'm hot and 2 empty and foot.
Junior, where are you doing here?
Nothing, Mama.
You eat your dinner yet?
Who's plop?
Hi, come, Junior, come. Leave the little boy alone, master, man. Plenty food is here. Go and serve out a big plate of curry goat again. Junior, you want soup?
No. Is that Tom the boy one?
No, don't stop him. Spare him. Next thing you top the little boy and handicap him.
Come.
Leave the food, man.
Come get this food from me.
Go on.
Get this piece of paper, cover it up so that fly no pitch.
Come, Junior. And you know, go on over here, see, Junior. Cover it up. And go on over now and go eat. Left the little boy, no master.
Junior seems like he's a rude little boy. His mother, she ever smoke. So you know, say she beat kids in a man. I don't know, but the women or the mothers that I know that smoke, da-da-dee, da-da-da. You don't get normal lick. You don't get normal switch. A 4 before they ever use a beater. See how Junior afraid of she goes so cigarettes catching them outside. I know star, but I think a Junior I see him look a kid where go buy the bread from Oliver and a half a bread Oliver give him and it tough 2 weeks old. Or probably I shop next door and buy it from. And that lies to Oliver shop. But anyways, me hope you like the players. Me hope they not what you call it? Copyright this because January Star is away. But today you'll be watching this on the 2nd, and after the 2nd, you know, say 3rd of September 2025, it will be election day in Jamaica. Whether you say shower or you say power, whether you say green or you say orange, whether you say PMP or you say JLP, just remember, say at the end of the day, we are all Jamaicans. We are one. So just go out there and do your civic duty, as they call it, and vote. Your voice is in your vote. So go and go speak on the 3rd. Stay safe. God bless.